Y'all already know what time it is when I get on this camera looking like this. We about to dye our hair a crazy color. I'm thinking tennis ball vibes. I have actually been wanting to do this color since like last year around this time, but just couldn't find the strength to pull the trigger. But today, we about to do it. I mean, I only got one life to live and it's just hair. So, I say all that to say, let's just jump right in. It's me, DWOOD. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time seeing my face, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah. I don't really want it to be as saturated. I kind of want it to be like I already had a couple washes. And also, clearly you guys can tell, but oh girl, my scalp is dry. I just washed my hair last night actually. But I have some rootage in there. So I feel like this is gonna kind of give like a 𝐒𝐔𝐁𝐒𝐂 type of vibe, which I'm cool with. I'm not opposed to at all. At first I was, but it's now or never. So we just about to do it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna spray my hair with a little bit of water just so it's not so dry looking. I'm gonna wet this a little bit more, that a little bit more, little edges a little bit more. Like I told y'all before, I don't think I want it like really saturated. I kind of want it to look like I've already washed it a couple times. So I'm gonna use a lot of conditioner to kind of water down this color. So let's go ahead and start mixing up. Y'all know in every video I have to let y'all know I am not a professional. I am a DIY diva. I got my bowl, I got my spoon, I got my glove. If you're curious, I'm using the color Green Apple and Cosmic Yellow. It's gonna be mainly Cosmic Yellow and a little pinch of the Green Apple. I'm just gonna pour it. All right, so I'm starting off with the Cosmic Yellow because like I was telling y'all, I want it to be mainly Cosmic Yellow and not so much Green Apple. So I added about this much. I might add a little bit more. Just a little dollop of yellow. Ah! All right, so that's already kind of looking like the color that I want, but I'm still gonna add a little bit of the Green Apple. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the green. Just that much. I like that color. It's giving highlighter. We going for it. I am so nervous. This is the brightest color I've ever put in my hair. I cannot believe I'm doing this. I also realized that anytime I just use the color like right out of the bottle, it's not hard to get out, but it's harder to get out. And anytime I do like different colors, but I use conditioner, it's really easy to get out. And the reason I really want this to be easy to get out, because number one, I'm not really sure if I'll like it. And number two, I have a wedding on Saturday and I feel like I use a lot less color this way. I hate to say it, but I'm kind of loving this so far. I'm just hoping that my roots don't sabotage me. All right, so that's that. I think I'm gonna let this sit for a long time actually, because I'll be feeling like when the conditioner is in it, it's not gonna like take. So I'm pretty much gonna let this get like crusty, which will probably take about an hour. This only says leave it for 15 minutes, but me being me, I'm gonna do an hour. I guess I'm done here. So like I said, I'm gonna let this sit for an hour, wash it out, and then style it with y'all. Okay, so I have not looked because I wanted this to be a genuine first impression. I feel like I'm gonna like it. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Y'all gonna see it before I see it. What do you think? It's a lot more green than what I was expecting. I don't know how I feel about it. This is not really the color I was going for. But maybe when it dries, maybe it has to dry. I don't know, y'all. Oh God, I almost cut my doggone ear. All right, well, I guess we gotta style it and see. I don't know how I'm feeling about this. It came out way more green than what I was expecting. I'm just gonna start styling and we'll see. All right, so this is the best I could do, but with this color, I definitely felt like I needed some scrambles, some ripples, because I feel like, I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about this color. Anyway, we about to do some glam and come back and see what the final product is giving, because I'm not sure and I'm kind of scared. All right, y'all, so this is pretty much what we working with. When I first took off my do-rag, it was definitely a jump scare. At first, I was like, ooh, I'm not really sure if I like it because I was kind of going for like that tennis ball color. I really wasn't going for like this greenish color. Clearly, this is more green than yellow, but I love it still. At first, I was really indecisive. I like it. I honestly have no complaints. I honestly feel like I can pull off any hair color because what? I have green hair. What? Never in a million years would I have thought that I would be sitting here talking to y'all with lime green, glow in the dark style, fluorescent hair. Tell me what y'all think in the comment section below. I'm feeling it. I was kind of indecisive at first. Like I said, it came out a lot darker and a lot more green than what I was expecting, but I'm rocking with it. I genuinely have no complaints. I was feeling real froggy, so I jumped. I actually really love sitting down dyeing my hair with y'all. I just feel like it's like an outlet. And I think that's why I be doing it so much with Crazy Colors, because it's just like a little creative outlet that I just discovered that I'm actually rocking with. Anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in and watching me do something crazy to my hair. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Drop a comment down below. Give the video a big thumbs up. That's all I have for y'all today. I will see y'all in the next video, probably with a different hair color.